All right, let's see if we can get it started. You ready?
Yeah. Yes! Let me drive it.
It's time to just wake up. May it not be true, but it is. Oh, it is. Living in the new world.
Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. And yes, once again, welcome back to my 2004 GMC Envoy and this lovely gas tank. Now, if you guys have been following this channel for the past couple months, the keen observer would know that this is the third time that I've had to pull this tank. The first time was the original fuel pump went out. Actually, the lines at the top rusted out, so we replaced those. No problem, 330 some thousand miles, to be expected, right? So I replaced the unit with a Bosch fuel pump, read good reviews about them, and did not hesitate to buy it. And after about, I don't know, maybe a month and a half or so, I'm starting to get the same issues. And if you've seen some of my posts on the community page, you saw that my car broke down on the side of the road and we had to get it towed home. First time in probably 10 years. So I went ahead and filed a warranty with Rock Auto, and they sent me out a new fuel pump, which I have right here. It is just a replacement, and I'm going to pull the old new fuel pump, and I have not pulled it yet, so you guys are going to be seeing this the first time with me. What happened last time, just to remind you, the top half, hopefully I can get that in frame for you, the top half, when I pulled it out, actually separated from the bottom half. And one thing I'm noticing on this fuel pump that I just got is all of these green markings. Hopefully you can see all of these green markings. I guess these are quality control checkpoints, check marks on the fuel pump. I have to go back and look at my video from the previous fuel pump replacement, but I don't remember seeing all of these green markings on the original new fuel pump. Hope that makes sense. So let's take this thing out. Again, I have not taken it out. You guys are going to see it here with the first time, or for the first time with me. And what I am half expecting to see, because of the low fuel pressure test that we did yesterday, or a couple days ago, I was running about 5 psi fuel pressure, where it should be about 50. I'm expecting that this fuel pump, because it did it before, has separated from the top half and the bottom half, and the actual fuel pump that's inside has been disconnected from the suction hose, sucking in air and causing my low fuel pressure. So let's get this thing taken out. Before we do, leave a comment down in the comments section below. Let me know what you think. Is it the fuel pump or is it something else? Get that off. Now I've already cleaned around so we don't have any dirt and debris falling into the tank, but here we go. Let's see what we've got. So, as I suspected, as you can see here, hopefully you can see and that makes sense, the top half of the pump has separated from the bottom half of the pump. So I really don't know what to attribute that to. I don't know if it was quality control, if it was just a fluke defect in the pump itself. But again, we've got a new pump, same brand, same model. We're going to replace it. And before I do that though, I do want to do a side-by-side comparison, because I want to show you guys those quality control, you know, kind of green pen markings that are on that new one that were not on this one. So here we have the old new pump and the new pump, and just by side-by-side comparison, let's take a look at the top first. Again, the new one in my right hand here, or left side of the screen. If you notice on the top, up by the clip here, and the sticker, and the tabs, and even the plugs, the plug caps, or the tube caps, all have green marks on them. Even all the way around these tabs that hold the top part into the bottom part, as well as the electrical connectors, and heck, even the filter on the bottom has a green marking. Now I don't expect the green marking to be on the old one, the old new pump, because it's been submerged in gasoline. But nonetheless, looking around this thing, even on the top, I don't see any signs, you know, of green markings that I would attribute to quality control marks. And, you know, looking at the top of this thing, there are no stickers on the top of the old new pump, whereas there are on the new pump. So, you know, I don't know if that's really, I don't know what to make of that. I don't know if I got a remanufactured pump previously, or what the deal was, or if it just slipped through quality control. But nonetheless, this is the second time I've had to remove this pump. First time we took it out, I actually tried to fix it and you know, just reseat the seal for the pump itself inside this container, but obviously that did not work. So I have more hope now for this one, the new pump, because it does have all the quality control markings on it. And you know, let's get it put back in, and really only time will tell. Alright guys, so I got the update for you. Shirt is completely covered in sweat. Gotta love the North Carolina humidity. But I've got the tank back in. It's all gone. The new pump, the new replacement pump, is back in, obviously. And now I just got to replace the relay for the fuel pump. Okay, and then now really the only thing left to do is turn the key and see if she starts. Oh, I also had to, while I was here, I also had to replace the vacuum line, or the vacuum connection, the 90-degree vacuum connection on the fuel pressure regulator, because it was cracked and it was starting to leak. I had been meaning to replace that. So we got that replaced, and he's not too happy. But let's get it, see if we can get it fired up. Alright, you can start it. We gotta test it. Alright, first let's start it. Or let's run. Alright, I hear the fuel pump priming. So, hold on, Bubba. Alright, let's see if we can get it started. You ready?
Yeah. Yes!
Whoa, would you look at that?
Let me drive.
Alright, hold on a sec. Let it warm up. Let it warm up.
Let me drive it.
Alright guys, so apparently that was a success, or at least a success for now. She started right up, the fuel pump primed, and I don't hear any vacuum leaks anymore. We'll check it out just to be sure. Yeah, so I don't hear any vacuum leaks, and so for now I am going to call that a success until maybe 2 months we got to do it all over again. But, you know, thanks for sticking with me, guys. Thanks for following along. I hope you learned something from this. If you did, let me know what it is down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for stopping by the channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.